She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Firstly, I put my makeup on. I'm currently putting my makeup on. I'm gonna put my makeup on and see you guys. So after I'm like done with my makeup, I'm gonna put a cute outfit, put a lot of accessories, and then click cute photos. So I'm gonna go and put a cute outfit and come back. So I'm wearing this outfit today to click my Instagram photos. My jewelry on, my earrings, my shades. This top got from Forever 21 like long back. These pants from Only, and the shoes from H&M, and the socks from Forever 21. So I use this tripod. Putting like this camera thing on this tripod is like impossible. I can't do that. So what I do is, this tripod is like for filming my YouTube videos. So rather than keep removing it and all that, I like to keep it over here. Tripod is like long enough. It goes like till whatever height I wanted. But right now I kept it short because I like full length photos from like a down angle. Now what I do is, I cannot click photos. Mommy. I cannot click photos in front of people. My mom's there. I cannot click photos in front of people or when people are around. That makes me feel like awkward, and I basically can't do that. I don't feel confident, and I feel when you're not confident in photos, it shows and the photo is awkward. I don't want to do that. So mostly I take photos over here because the sunlight is nice with this white background. It's like just one floor up from my house, or I go to my terrace. But right now I'm gonna put the tripod here and click photos with this background. I take photos mainly like in afternoon when people are mostly sleeping, like around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Right now it's 2:37, so mostly like it's less chance of people coming out. My antisocial ass still out there and take my mom for moral support even on the next floor of my apartment, because I'm scared. I'm scared that people will see me, and I'm just like clicking photos. I don't know why I do that. I feel like I'm committing some crime. Like, I'm just very shy. I can't do it, and I'm out of breath. I'm getting sweaty. It's gonna show in picture, so BRB. I don't have that button thingy that where you like press the button and the photos click. So either I have to put on self timer or take a video and take a screenshot. So we're gonna do that. Mommy, I told you to go to आंखों में कैसे खींचूं? तो मेरे साथ मैं बैठ ही नहीं जाती हो।
कोई आदत जाने से किसी के मतलब हो गया है?
पता नहीं, I don't know. Mommy, so right now I'm checking the angle. So like I'm coming full. How do I pose, mommy? How do I pose? What the heck? I don't pose like that, come on. I'm taking it at 4K 60. So the quality is nice. This is the normal one. I like to take on the last one, so I look like kind of tall and stuff. So I'm gonna start now. ऐसे look for इसको. So these are the photos, like these, and I think they came pretty nice. But oh, I'm tying my laces. Then this, I like this too. Then this, I like this. And then all these photos. Oh, I love this. Mommy, how did they come? Tell me.
Stunning.
So then I take approval from mommy if they night or not. She says that I look
Fabulous.
She says that we should go to terrace because I look like the sunlight is not completely over there. तो हम ऊपर जाएं क्या? So we're gonna go up. Are you coming for moral support?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go. whole terrace. The lighting and everything is good, but I like to click pictures where there's like a dark background and stuff. And thinking of standing over here, then I'll have this background and this tripod. Me help once ना देखना कि मेरे पे आ रही हो क्या मतलब फोन में. Okay, I'm gonna get on this.
इस तरफ आ.
Okay, इस तरफ आओ.
तुझे मैं बताती हूँ. इधर आ.
Okay, once let me check the photos. हाँ, the light is the problem ना इधर.
मैं वही तो बोली तो मैं बताती तुझे लाइट कहाँ है.
Photos are nice, but light ही नहीं आ रही मुँह पे ना.
तो मैं वही बोली तो तभी तो मैं तुम्हें समझा रही थी, तो मेरी बात समझ नहीं. इधर आओ.
Okay, अभी.
मैंने ऐसे कर.
Okay.
ऐसे कर. ऐसे करती है, ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा ऐसे होती रहती है.
Okay, fine. अच्छा मैं इस तरफ लगाती हूँ.
सनलाइट की तरफ देख, उसकी तरफ लाइट पूरी आएगी.
यार मम्मी वो आपको देख रहे होंगे फोटो क्लिक. ओके. I'm done with my Instagram photos. I finished taking them. After I'm done taking my photos, I come down, get into a comfy clothes, drink some water, and then I start editing my photos. I took photos on the staircase, like on the little balcony on the staircase and on terrace. So I don't know which ones are the better. I'm gonna first take screenshots. I'm gonna screen record it. What the heck? Okay, so in this video, this is our house and like these are the stairs, and here I'm like taking photos. So my house is like literally like down, like my house, like my door is open, my door is not closed, I can see my house. My mom's like just went in, she was like it's too hot, so I'm just gonna sit. So when you finish taking photos here, call me. So as soon as she left, after like 5 minutes, I heard like on the other floor somebody opened their what do you call door. And I don't know why I do this. I feel like I'm like committing some crime, and I just took my tripod and I ran to my house. Like somebody came and I'm literally blaming her. Like, why did you leave? Mommy, I told her to go to आंखों में कैसे खींचूं? I was on the urge of crying. Like आंखों में कैसे खींचूं? I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even exaggerating. I was on the urge of crying. I think this one looks... Why am I showing screen recording? Okay, this one is not nice. My face is weird. I don't know how I feel about this one. Some photos like are so nice, but my face, I don't know why my face does that. Why did you turn on this? This is nice. Okay, so I got like 4 photos from the balcony area, and I'm gonna go to terrace one. Oh, look at me. What do I think of myself? Total 8 photos I got from all the videos. So the first one is this, the second one is this, the third one is this, the fourth one is this, the fifth one is this, 6th, 7th, 8th photos. Okay, so the app I use for editing my photos is Lightroom. I select my photo. Right now I'm not gonna crop it, I'm gonna directly crop it when I go to Instagram. Go is in effects. In effects I increase dehaze a lot. If I'm pronouncing something wrong, I'm so sorry, but after increasing dehaze, like how much ever, I don't know, like I don't have a specific number, I just increase. And it's like 35 or 34. It just bothers me. Then I'm gonna go to light and I'm gonna increase the exposure according to the photo, however the photo looks nice in. I think this much. Then I'm going to contrast, and I don't like contrast, so I'm gonna decrease it. I also decrease the highlight. The editing I'm doing right now works mostly for all my photos. I do the same edit like on all my photos. I don't do anything different. And then I go on shadows a little bit. I don't have a specific number. Every photo is different, and whatever like suits the photo, I just go on with that. But increase and decrease is just the same. Like I always increase the exposure, decrease the contrast and highlights. It's just that it just doesn't like I don't have a specific number for it. I just do it like however the photo looks nice. Then I'm gonna decrease the whites and increase the blacks. Then I'm gonna go to color. It's like not a very colorful photo, but if it was something colorful, or if I'm wearing colorful shoes, so I would go generally into mix, which gives you all the colors over here. It has all the colors. Like if it was red, I would have increased or if I would have increased or decreased the red. Different colors over here, like blue, purple, pink, whatever the photo. Like if I'm wearing pink right now, and if I take a photo in this, I would go in this pink and also a little bit on purple and adjust the color like how much I want it to be brighter or lighter. But for this photo I don't have any color, so I'm not gonna increase or decrease anything. I would generally go in these 4 options. For temperature, if I'm clicking photos outdoors like with the cloud background, or generally I wanna like show the clouds more, I would just decrease the temperature. Like I would take the temperature to blue, but here I'm clicking in sun, I will take it little to the yellow side, but like not too much, like a little bit. For my previous photo which I recently uploaded, I'm just gonna put it over here. For this I was wearing pink, but I also wanted the grass color to look like nicer, so I couldn't decide should I do green or pink, where like this is where the mix will help you, where you can like do play around with green and also with pink. So I did that. So for this I'm not gonna choose anything. I'm gonna go directly to vibrance, whatever it is called, and I like to increase a little bit over here. Also increase not that much, but maybe 10, this much. So the photo was like this, now it's like this, a little brighter. Then actually this is it what I do, but like the photo is like kind of looking very bright to it. If I want to adjust something like exposure, I will just I will do accordingly however it looks nice. So this, the exposure was I think too much, so I'm gonna increase like accordingly. And I think this is it. I am satisfied, so I'm gonna export this. The same thing with this one. Go to that, because it is light, exposure, with contrast, with highlight, with shadow, with white. I do this with everything, basically everything. Yes, and that's it. So this is it. Then same thing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm
gonna do performer is Kenny Barrel.
I'm gonna go on my Instagram and I'm gonna go post, and I'm gonna select my photos like this, and I like to keep it a little back so it looks good with the feed. So I'm not gonna upload it right now because I didn't edit like all my photos. So basically that I like to hide the black wire from behind. I like to do this, like, then I like to adjust every photo accordingly, that basically. And then I don't do any edits, I just, and yes, that's how I edit my Instagram photos.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's it for my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. And all the girls
And all the girls around the world, they wanna